Welcome back, aliens. Finally, we are going to launch a most awaited course, which is blockchain development using Hyperledger Fabric. Now, this course is going to complete by 31st March, and this course will be available on the platform. Because this course, we are not just talking about the videos, we'll also have documentations, codes, and of course the videos. Now, this course, we are going to focus more on the blockchain technology and the practical implementation of it, which is Hyperledger Fabric. Yes, we will talk about Bitcoin, we'll talk about Ethereum, but just to understand how blockchain works in that domain. The main focus would be Hyperledger Fabric. Now, for the people who don't know about blockchain, it's a technology which is changing the way you do finance, you work in a healthcare. So yes, there will be huge demand in 1 or 2 years, but companies are still looking for developers who knows about blockchain. As I mentioned, this course is going to complete by 31st March. You can check out the content and the details in the description here. There will be a link. And of course, if you are booking it now, you'll be getting a huge discount. After the launch of the course, it will go up. So I hope you will enjoy the course. Of course, I'm excited for the course. See you in the course, everyone. Bye-bye.